Hey guys, namaste, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ciao, marhaba, salam. What's up guys, I'm Pahal. It's my first vlog and today I'm taking you around Mysore and Gaganchuki Waterfalls. A perfect weekend getaway from Bangalore.
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ के? बहुत हंसी आ रही है।
So, we left Bangalore at 11 am and reached falls around 1:30. The Gaganchuki Falls are treat to the eyes and it will squeeze the stress out of you. The falls are yeah, you heard it right. So, it is 140 kilometers from Bangalore and 60 kilometers from Mysore. Approach from Bangalore is either from Bangalore-Mysore highway or from Kanakpura, which is a scenic road to falls.
And we are searching for food.
Guys, do carry your food because you will need it apart from the local snacks. Believe me, I survived on cucumbers. Do wear comfortable clothes and shoes so that you can enjoy completely without any botheration. Guys, this is some place you would not like to miss. Finally, we reached Mysore, had some family time and dinner, and then good night, guys. Good morning in Mysore. We had breakfast, spent some quality time at the hotel, and left for some famous tourist attractions of Mysore. First, we visited Chamundeshwari temple, which is located on the top of Chamundi hills. Also, you can enjoy the city view of Mysore from the hill, which was fascinating. There are 3 types of darshans you can do, but there is no queue for the handicapped. Welcome to the Mysore Palace. It's a historical palace and a royal residence with great architectural skills, with beautiful gardens. On every Sunday, the palace lightens up with nearly 100,000 lamps, and it looks really unique. Now we are on our way to the Brindavan Gardens. Plan it while returning from Mysore to Bangalore. Beautiful garden with beautiful musical fountain show. That's how we spend our quality time together. Yeah, that's how I fight with my brother, and I have no regrets about it. Thank you for watching guys. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and show some love to my first vlog video. Thank you. Bye bye.